Hey, welcome back to the Leopard Cat. We're fun, sexy, fearless, independent, and always opinionated. I am here to give my very opinionated review on Too Faced lipstick. This is the peach lipstick they have. I had to wipe it off because it was swatched, but it has the little peach thing right here. And I am here to give a review for it. First time I'm using it, so I hope it's not too light for it. I didn't think about it. Okay. Kind of smells like Play-Doh. Almost like a peachy Play-Doh smell to it. I like it. I could do without the scent. This one is called Sunday Fun Day. And it's very creamy. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. The other one I got called Butterfly was very light. I had to like pair with lip gloss. Sunday Fun Day is the name of this. And it's a lipstick that I would definitely wear just by itself. Maybe add a little glitter to it. But other than that, it's not bad at all. It's probably very long lasting, as most of Too Faced lipsticks are. But it's definitely very creamy, very moisturizing. It's supposed to be a matte. So if you want like a bold eye look and a neutral lip, that color is great for that. Now I'm going to do Beauty Concepts. Their lip liner and lip stick duo set. First time I ever tried their lip liner. I don't know if I'm gonna like it or what. I'm definitely gonna. I need my mirror. Like the camera's okay, but I need a mirror. Give it that. And I'm gonna fill it in. The best I can. Make sure I got the outer part good. Okay. Now I'm gonna try this. Beauty Concept is in the color Mocha. And it's supposed to be a melted matte lipstick. As you know, I love their Beauty Concept melted matte looks. I love that. It doesn't bleed. I see right now I'm gonna like this color, but I'm probably gonna put some glitter or something on top when I wear it out. Okay, I really like this color. It's very nude on me. Almost looks like I'm not wearing any. Crap, I dropped it. Yeah, this is nice too. This is a nice color. I really like it. Very moisturizing. It's supposed to be a melted matte look, I believe. Yeah, beauty concept. Here's the color. Like I said, I like it. I think I'm gonna have to add a glitter on top. I think the lip liner works really well for it. So I'm definitely here for both of those. I love a lipstick that I don't have to constantly reapply, which is why I love mattes. Now on to trying the Paris Hilton lipstick. I don't know which one I want to try first. This is the matte liquid lipstick. I'm probably going to try that. The first or last? Probably last. I'm going to try this one. This is the Diamond Lust Lip Gloss. So I'm going to try that first. Kind of smells like a Kool-Aid berry scent to it. Which I'm not crazy about, but it's not bad. This kind of goes on almost like a lip paint. But I like the color. I like the color. It almost goes on like a lip paint. Almost is very like, almost you don't feel anything on the lip. Like it's, I feel like I'm wearing nothing on my lips right now. It moves very free on the lips. Yeah, this is very nice. I really like this lip gloss. Um, Color is very nice for like the fall and the winter months. So this is a yes. This is a yes, yes, yes. So we'll be definitely wearing this. I don't want the video to be too long, so I gotta go right ahead and do my other ones. Removes very easily. Like real talk. So next I want to try the Holographic Lip Gloss. This one is a lighter pink color. That looks pretty good on me. Goes on just like the other one, very light. This one has more of a candy smell to it, which I'm not crazy about, but With a proper look, I'm gonna have to look in the freaking. This one goes on like nothing. Like this one is super light. Doesn't show really any color. Might be good to wear just as a plain lip balm. But there's no color on my lips. Like maybe because of my skin tone, there's barely any color. Barely any. I don't know. I just wasn't crazy about that one. But it's okay. It's a plain like lip gloss or lip balm. And I got 2 more to go. I got this red one. It looks very pretty. Called Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss. And I got this one right here. So. Ooh. Ooh. I like the color. Ooh, this is very pretty. This is my favorite so far. This is very pretty. This is very pretty. This is very pretty. I will definitely be wearing this one. This one's a little bit thicker on the lips. I definitely love this one. This one right here, my favorite. Don't even want to take it off, but I got to because I got to do the lip matte. The matte lipstick. Matter of fact, let me try now. Nothing. So it does not bleed. I think all mattes work that way. It's hard to find a lipstick or a lip gloss that doesn't bleed at all. But anyway, that was my review for these lipsticks I got. Paris Hilton. My favorite is this one, of course. And then my second favorite had to be the matte. Third had to be this one. And fourth had to be this one, the one that barely showed up on my lips. It's a pretty color, but I think for my skin tone, because it was so almost like a clear on me, I didn't really like it too much. So that's the reason why it's my least favorite. But anyway, I really enjoy doing these shopping hauls and reviews with you. Please follow me on Instagram and Twitter at that Virgo Vixen. And leave a comment below and tell me what you thought about this video, what